This video that I'm going to share with you was generated using AI. Let's watch the video before we get started on how to generate such video using Feed AI by Matpa.
A farmer had 3 daughters, and on the same night, they were all going out with different dudes. The doorbell rang, and the farmer answered the door with a shotgun for intimidation. The first guy said, "Hey, I'm Joe. I'm here for Flo. We're going to the show. Is she ready to go?" The farmer liked this man and let him take Flo to the show.
So for you to generate such videos, we have Feed AI, an all-in-one AI tool that will help you generate short-form content from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. And it's an all-in-one tool. So watch this tutorial in order for you to see a step-by-step way on how to generate short-form content using Feed AI. I'll also leave a link in the description for you to open a free account with Feed AI. And if you like it, you can also subscribe to this platform in order to make 100+ videos every month for your YouTube channel or also TikTok channel.
All you have to do is go into the software, click Create New, select any of these pre-made prompts made specifically for you for content that's trending on social media, or select your own custom prompt and put in something like the top 10 tallest buildings right there. And then you can select from any of these different AI-generated images, such as natural, anime, watercolor, and you can see an example of exactly what that'll look like in the preview pane right there. Let's just select natural for this so far. And we can also even select gameplay videos if we wanted to. So for example, we can have Minecraft or Subway Surfers in the background of our videos, and we have tons of more templates and gameplay videos coming very soon to that. But we're just gonna select AI images for now. Then we can go to the advanced options right here. We can select how long we want our video to be. Let's do 30 to 60 seconds. What font type that we'd like. There's tons of different fonts on here that you can choose from. We're going to use the Beast font right here. You can select your font color, your highlight color. Then you can choose to either highlight a specific word or the background of it. We're going to select word, and then we're just going to simply click generate right here. Just like that, in a matter of seconds, our video is done, and let's take a look at what it looks like. Did you know the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world? Standing at an incredible 828 meters, it's a true marvel of engineering. Next up, the Shanghai Tower, reaching 600 and just like that, it's going through all the buildings that we asked it to do. And then we can select our video resolution that we'd like to do, the frame rate, and then we can simply download our video by clicking this button, and then we can upload that video on tons of different social media networks, whether it's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and it can be getting views on all these platforms, and you can generate hundreds of videos every single month with this software at a low monthly investment. And when you compare that against hiring somebody to do all this work for you, you'd be spending over 10 times more. Not to mention, if you made these videos yourself, you'd be spending 100 times more work. And one of the great things about Vid AI is that if we go back here, all your projects will be saved.
Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more AI tools that can help you generate short form content for your channel.